Hey guys, my name is Adam Jason. I am the founder of BRRRRinvest.com. I want to make this short video today to talk with you about preparation for post-COVID investing. I think a lot of people have by default taken the position of sitting on the sidelines and waiting to see what the market brings. What's going to happen with the rising unemployment numbers that we have? Is the government going to be in a position to prop up the economy sufficiently so that we don't have people that are in need of selling their homes? Or what's going to happen in the foreclosure market, and is the government going to protect tenants and also landlords when it comes to mortgages? A lot of uncertainty out there. If you're still investing now, that's great. I think people should always take the mindset of being a professional opportunist, and if there's deals there and the math makes sense, should definitely be jumping all over them. For those who are not, I think it's important that we just don't let this time go unused. I know I'm certainly not. I think there's three big things that you can be thinking about now to get ready as you watch markets and see what's going on. I think the first one is obviously money and building your cash reserves. The government's giving out money for, $1,200 checks, other programs that you can be using to put cash away. You should be saving so that when opportunities come, you're able to jump on them. Opportunities come, and I think this is number two. If you're taking time during this period to really set down your criteria in terms of returns, markets, neighborhoods, things that you're going to be willing to invest in, because if this fallout comes and a lot of properties become available, nobody's going to be alone in their market, and there's going to be competition. So you're going to be able to want to jump on deals as quickly as they become available. And being able to do that is being super precise about the kind of deals that you're interested in doing. If it's single family homes that give you X amount of rent per month and the cash flow is, at a certain dollar amount per month, make sure you know that criteria concretely, so as soon as you see opportunities, you can be making offers and getting those contracts, because there are other people with cash and they're not going to last. I think now is a great time to be networking and letting other people that could be potential investors alongside with you, what you're doing, what your strategy is, what your experience is, what you're hoping to do. There's going to be other people in the market with cash that are looking to invest but don't have time to find deals, need that support that you can do as a more active investor using the BRRRR strategy and helping to facilitate other people to get those deals. Two things I've done, and I want to bring them to your attention, is in addition to our normal suite of analysis tools, contracting solution, for a legal client of mine who is bringing in outside debt investors for projects that he's doing, I created a debt promissory note that is specific for BRRRR investors. So it sets up the repayment terms so that they only happen upon refinance of the transaction when you're getting money coming back in. I've made that available. I'll include a link to it in the video description so that you can get access to that. Also, my own experience and my background is in syndicating capital for large real estate projects, hotels, etc., for large clients in my own real estate investment firm. I'm also going to link to an article that I put together where you can learn more about the tools and the process for syndicating capital. So if you're in the market and you're saying, I know this group of folks, and I want to reach out to them and I want to get them to invest in a fund or an LLC or some kind of structure that I'm setting up, and I want to be able to do that in the appropriate manner, I hope you check out that article and get some information there. If you're going to kind of test the market a little bit and you want to advertise and see what kind of response you get for the strategy that you have and the deals that you're looking at, also going to want to make sure you're comfortable with the steps and the processes and the legal requirements around syndicating capital and all that. So it's something to do now. Start having those conversations with people during this downtime. Let them know the deals that you think are coming and start gathering that interest and letting people know what you're expecting and how you can help them. So just to reiterate, I think obviously money, think about how you can be saving, building up your cash reserves, get your criteria set so that you can be, opportunistic and take advantage of the deals that come on the market quickly before you lose them to other buyers, and really get that networking going. It's important that other people know what you're doing. Show your value to them at this point. Let them know that you're going to be a source for them to participate in real estate transactions in the future. Let them know the strategies that you're interested in and your experience. Start building those relationships now when you have the time to do it, so that that capital is more likely to be available to you when those deals come on the market. I hope this video is helpful. Check out BRRRRinvest.com for all of the resources that you need, analysis tools, contracting solutions if you're doing deals now or you're looking at deals and are comparing markets, etc. Everything's all there for you. Leave your thoughts in the description. Would love to respond to any questions that you have, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much.